Welcome. In this video, we will see how to write a C program for flood fill algorithm. Flood fill algorithm is used for filling color inside the polygon. Polygon means any figure which has more than two sides and it is a closed figure. For example, triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon. These are all example of polygons. Now we will see how to fill color inside this polygon using flood fill algorithm. For that, we will open Turbo C, start Turbo C, create a new file, include header files, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include graphics.h. So whenever we are drawing graphical objects like square, rectangle, pixel, line, etc., we must include graphics.h header file in our program. Then our main function void main. Inside this main function, we will declare variables integer gd is equal to detect and gm. Gd means graphics driver. Which graphics driver we are going to use, that will be denoted by gd. It will be automatically detected, so we have set the value of gd equal to detect, and gm means graphic mode. Which graphics mode we are going to use, that will be denoted by gm. Then we have to declare one variable interior color. This variable will be using flood fill function. Then init graph function, address of gd, address of gm, and location of bgi file. Now why we are using init graph function? Because whenever we want to draw graphic objects, our computer system must be in a graphics mode. So to enter our computer system into the graphics mode, we use init graph function. The syntax of init graph function is that we have to pass three parameters. First is address of gd variable, second address of gm variable, and third is the location of bgi file. Bgi file is a graphics driver file, and we have to write the location or path or address where this file is stored. For example, this BGI file in my computer system, it is located in C drive. Inside C drive, there is a Turbo C3 folder, and inside that there is a BGI file. So we have to write the location or path of this file in double inverted comma. Now we will change the color of our drawing to white using set color function. Set color function will change our drawing color. Now we want to draw some polygon. Okay, so let us draw triangle. Triangle is also one type of a polygon. For drawing triangle, we will use line function. We will draw three lines. Okay, and then we will create a triangle from these three lines. So for drawing the first line, we pass parameter 300, comma 100 and 200, comma 200. Then draw second line 300, comma 100 and 400, comma 200. Then draw third line 200, comma 200 and 400, comma 200. So for drawing the triangle, you can use any parameter or any coordinates. Okay, so I have selected these coordinates for drawing a triangle. Then we'll close our main function. Now we will write our function for flood field algorithm. Flood void flood field, pass parameter integer x, integer y, then integer interior color, and integer field color. F color means field color. Now what is this integer x, integer y? Integer x and integer y, these are the x and y coordinate of any pixel which is inside the polygon. You can take any pixel, but that should be inside the polygon. So these x and y are the coordinate of that pixel. Then interior color, whatever is the interior color of your polygon, means whatever color is currently present inside the polygon, that color is called as the interior color. And next is your F color, means fill color, means which color you want to fill inside the polygon, that color is called as F color or fill color. Now we will use one function, delay function. Delay and 70 means milliseconds. Okay, so why we are using delay function? Delay function will stop our execution for some time. It will feel it will change the color of one pixel, and then it will stop for 70 milliseconds. Again it will fill color inside the next pixel, and again then it will stop for 70 milliseconds. So slowly it will fill color inside the polygon. It is not compulsory to write delay function, but if you will use it, then you can see the process that how this algorithm one by one fill color inside the polygon. Then next, for changing the color of pixel inside the polygon, we will use put pixel function, pass xy coordinate of the pixel and fill color. Okay. Now basically what happens in flood fill algorithm, that in flood fill algorithm we will first check the color of the any pixel inside the polygon. If okay, so for that we write if statement, if get pixel x comma y is equal to interior color, then okay, so what happens in flood fill algorithm, that we will take any interior pixel or any pixel which is inside the polygon, and we will check the color of that pixel. If color of that pixel is equal to interior color, then only we will change the color of that pixel, otherwise not. So after changing the color of that pixel, we will also check the four neighboring pixel of that current pixel. Okay. So for that, we will again call the same function recursively. Flood p x plus 1 comma y. This is the pixel which is towards the right side of current pixel. Okay. Interior color and fill color. Okay. Now we will check the another neighboring pixel x comma y plus 1. This pixel is towards the sorry, this pixel is below the current pixel. Okay. Check third neighbor x minus 1 comma y. This pixel is towards the left side of current pixel. Then next neighboring pixel x y minus 1. This pixel is to on the upper side of the current pixel. So close this our function. So in this way, in flood fill algorithm, we will check the we will change the color of current pixel, and at the same time we will also check the four neighboring pixels of the current pixel, and we will also change the color of those pixel by calling same function recursively again and again. We have written this function. Now we have to declare this function. For declaring, we will write it above the main function. Integer x, integer y, integer interior color. Integer f color. Okay, so now we have declared this function. But how we will check what is the interior color of our polygon? Means which color is currently present inside the polygon, that how we will check. So for that we have to use one function, interior color is equal to, we have to use get pixel function. Get pixel function and pass any uh, pixel xy coordinate of any pixel which is inside the polygon. So I will write the xy coordinate of one pixel 310 comma 120 which is present inside the polygon. You can take any pixel or any xy coordinate of any pixel which is inside the polygon. Okay, so this get pixel function will give us color. Okay, so what is the color of that pixel? That will be given by this get pixel function, and that will be stored inside this interior color variable. Now write get ch function, but before that we have to call our float fill algorithm inside the main function for execution. Float fill, pass any xy coordinate of interior pixel, suppose 310 comma 120, then pass our interior color of polygon, and fill color. Fill color means which color you want to fill inside. Suppose I want to fill green color, so I will write green constant value here. Okay, so green color will be our f color. And finally write get ch function. Get ch function will hold our screen till we give some input, and finally write close graph function. Why we are writing close graph function? Because of init graph function, our system is now in the graphics mode. To return back to the normal mode or text mode, we must write close graph function at the end. So this is how we write a program for flood fill algorithm. Save this file. It's p19.c. Give some name. Okay. Compile it. So no errors. Run this program. So you can see we are drawn a triangle and we are filling green color one by one. We are changing the color of one pixel at a time. Okay, so this is how we fill color inside a polygon using flood fill algorithm. So if you want to learn more such programming or you want to watch more such programming videos, subscribe the channel, and the link of this program is given in the description box. Thank you.